ready for the black soldier fly larva. Feeding frenzy. Just wait for it. Wait for it. I thought y'all like black soldier larva. They just don't know what it is yet. Just wait. Once they start to munching. I guess they don't really like the larva that much. They like live stuff. See, they're waiting for movement. That tastes pretty good. What is that? Is that Rice Krispies? What are these? It says black soldier larva. They taste good. Is that some kind of grain? Is that a grain brand or something? A grain brand, a brand of grain? A grain of bread? They're liking their little bath. They're eating them now. Well, some are. The smart ones are tearing them up. Oh, the silkies are eating. Now the black Morans are eating them. Dipping them in water and eating them. So maybe they are like Rice Krispies. They don't taste very. Yeah, they got a weird aftertaste. I don't know what kind of grain these are. They look funny to me. I can't get used to them. I've ate 3 or 4, but they just don't taste right. Not very fulfilling. Let's see what these guys do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Black soldier fly larva. Oh, they're babies from the big giant flies. That makes sense. Okay, now I understand. Black soldier fly larva. I wonder if they're going to come back to life now that they got a little moisture. You never know with these crikers. You can drown a fly and bring it back to life like 20 minutes later. It's crazy. Yeah, they're digging them. They probably like them more alive. Maybe I should throw them in the dry spot. Back away and see how they act. See him looking for the food. They know my call already. Oh, he's like back up. The light is my spot. They like the rain too. Because of their feathers don't get wet, they attract the water. But when they're babies, they don't have them kind of feathers. They got these fluffy, like fur-like feathers. So the water tends to attach to them. The silkies, their legs, water, feet on the water on their feet, always stay like that for some reason. Get out of the rain! Pee-pee poo-poo, y'all come in. Pee-pee poo-poo, y'all come in. God, don't be so scary. Why are you so scary? Now they're going crazy over those larvae now. Once they got a taste for it, they're going nuts. I don't know what he thinks he has. Oh, they're fighting over whatever it is. What the hell is that? Oh, it's the top of the banana. They done tore that cracker to nothing. They love them some bananas, I tell you what, they're banana freaks. Bunch of banana freaks. Get out the rain then! Y'all got another 30 minutes out and I'll let y'all in. See, that girl knows how to use the time. She wants to play in the half in the rain, half in the shade. Good morning and God bless. Peace!